My patient's experience with radial-to-peripheral procedures has been quite positive. When I first started doing radial-to-peripheral procedures several years ago now, they were amazed by the fact that they were able to sit up right after a procedure. They're not on bed rest for 2 to 4 hours. The access site complications have essentially reduced to zero, and their comfort level has just grown immensely. These patients are now coming back to me and asking for radial approaches to endovascular intervention. Can I do all radial approaches for treating PAD? There are some cases where I still have to go from the femoral approach, but these patients are still asking me, can you do it from the wrist?